Hello everyone, welcome to SSC Monk channel. This is our 40 days 40 math rapid division series and we are covering quadrilateral. This is the part 3 of our geometry. If you have joined or if you are watching SSC Monk videos for the first time, I would like to say this is a math rapid revision series I am taking for SSC CGL 2025 tier 1 examination. We have already conducted 23 classes. This is our 24th classes. This is a series of geometry class where I had already taken circle and triangle. This is quadrilateral. It will cover also polygon. Now, if you are joining for the first time, I am Jyotiprakash Mohanty. I have cleared all these exams and in selected in all these exams as well while being a working aspirant. And I have not only cleared the cutoffs, I was selected. So that's the difference. And with my experience, I have been teaching all the students who are preparing for SSC and railway examination. If you are joining for the first time, do not forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description because in that Telegram channel, I will not only guide, also you will get all these class PDFs and notes. So let's start, guys. So actually in quadrilateral, we'll be covering all these types. Questions based on quadrilateral, based on parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, polygon, and in polygons also diagonal based questions and angle based questions. So without wasting more time, let's start with all the details. Now, this is our first question. It is saying a circle touches all four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. So let's say this is a quadrilateral, okay? Now a circle touches all four sides. Let's say this is a circle, okay? For the time being. Now let's say A here, B here, C here, D here. Now understand this. If the circle is touching, that means these are the two tangents. These are the two tangents. These are the two tangents. This is what it will look like. Yes or no? Yes. Now it is saying AB is 18, BC is 21, AD is 15. So AD is 15. Find the length of CD. So let's say AD is 15. So this is X. This is 15 minus X. So this will be X as well. Now if this is 15 minus X, AB total is 18. So this will be 18 minus 15 minus X. That is equal to X plus 3. Clear? If this is X plus 3, this will be X plus 3. BC is already 21. So this will be 21 minus X minus 3. That is equal to 18 minus X. So this will be 18 minus X. Now this total length will be X plus 18 minus X. That is equal to 18 centimeter. Clear? Very basic, right? Next. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral if P is 3 times of R and S is 4 times of Q, then what is the sum of S plus R? Now understand this, if this is a circle and if this is a quadrilateral in it. So let's say this is P, Q, R, S. So if this is X, this will be 180 degree minus X. If this is Y, this will be 180 degree minus Y. This is the theory. So P is, X is 3 times R, that means 3 into 180 degree minus X. So 3X is equal to 4X, 3 into 180 as it is. Sir, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 35. So X value is equal to 135 degree. Sir, if X is 135, R will be what? 180 minus 135, that is equal to 45 degree. Now it is saying S is 4 times of Q. Sir, if Q is Y, so 4 times Y is equal to 180 degree minus Y. So 5Y is equal to 180 degree. So Y is equal to 36 degree. Now if Y is 36 degree, S is what? 180 minus 36 degree. That is equal to 144 degree. So what is the value of S plus R? S 144, R 45. So 144 degree plus 45 degree is equal to 149 degree. That is option C. Clear? Next. In a quadrilateral ABCD, bisectors of C and D meet at point E. So what is saying? This is a, let's say, quadrilateral, okay? So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So bisectors of C. So let's say this is one bisector. This is one bisector. So these are meeting at one point. Let's say E. It is saying CED is equal to 57 degree. Bisector means this angle is equal to this angle. this angle is equal to this angle. Yes, A is equal to 47 degree. Then find the measure of the angle B. Clear? Let's say this is X, so this will be X. This is Y. See, X plus Y plus Y, X plus Y plus 57 degree is equal to what? 180 degree, right? So X plus Y is equal to what? 180 degree minus 57 degree, that is equal to 123 degree. Now see, this will be also Y because this is what? This is equal angle because of bisector. So here let's say 47 degrees A, D is equal to 2Y, C is equal to 2X plus angle B is equal to 360 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Now 47 degree plus 2 into X plus Y, that is 2 into 123 degree plus angle B is equal to 360 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 2 into 123 is equal to 246 plus 47 is equal to 293 degree plus B is equal to 360 degree. So angle B is equal to 360 minus 293, that is equal to 67 degree. That is option B. This is degree, okay? Because of some typing error, you are seeing at 0, but these are the degrees. Next, this was asked in 17, 18, 19 mains. So this is a very important question. Remember this. ABCD is a quadrilateral where AB is parallel to DC. Okay. So let's say this is a quadrilateral. Okay. So A, B, C, D. This is parallel to DC. E and F are the midpoints of diagonals A, C and BD. So let's say this is one diagonal, this is another diagonal, and midpoints of AC. So let's say AC midpoint here is E, BD midpoints here is F. If AB is equal to 18, CD is equal to 6, what is the length of EF? So remember, when AB is parallel to CD, the value of EF is equal to half of difference of parallel side. Okay, so that means half of 18 minus 6, that is equal to half of 12, that is equal to 6 centimeter. That is option A. Clear? Next, in a circle ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ACBD intersect each other at P. If AB is equal to AC, BAC 48 degree, then what is the measure of ADC? Now let's say this is a circle. Now let's say this is a quadrilateral. Now this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay. Now ACBD, sorry, this is C and this is D. Okay. Now AC intersects with BD here. Clear? Now at P point. Okay. Now AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC. That means this angle is equal to this angle total. BAC is equal to 48 degree. That means this raised 2 angle is equal to 180 minus 48, that is equal to 132 degree. 132 degree divided by 2 is equal to 66 degree. 66 degree. Now see, this total is 66. That means D value is equal to 180 minus 66. That is equal to what? That is equal to 114 degree. So D value is 114 degree. So ADC value is equal to what? 114 degree. Clear? Next. Sides of AB and DC of a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD are produced to meet at E. So let's say ABCD. This was a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Now these are produced at point E. There is a circle that has gone through this. Okay. Let's say this is the circle. Okay. It has gone through this. It is saying, oh sorry, this point is F. Okay. If ADC is equal to 78 degree, this will be 102 degree. Simple. If BEC, so B, okay, let's say they meet at F, my bad. So this is E, this is F. Okay. ADC 78 degree, BEC, so BEC is 52 degree. What is the measure of angle AFP? Now see, if this is 102, this will be 78 degree. Now 78, 52, that is equal to 130. So this will be 50 degree. If this is 50 degree, this total will be 130. So if this is 130, this will be 50. If this is 78, this will be 102. If this is 102 and this is 52 degree, then AFB total will be 180 minus 52, that is equal to 28 degree. Clear? Answer option A. Simple calculation. Next, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral such that AB is the diameter of the circle circumscribing it. ADC 180 degrees. So let's say, so this is A, B, C, D. Clear? Now it is saying ADC is equal to 118 degree. So this will be by default 62 degree. Clear? It is asking what is the value of BAC. Simple. Now see, if this is diameter, this will always make 90 degree angle over here. So this is 90, this is 62. So this will be 28 degree. That is option A. Clear? Next. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Diagonals BDAC intersect each other at E. If BEC is 138, ECD is 35. What is the measure of BAC? So let's say this is a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. It is saying diagonals BD and AC are meeting at a point E. BEC is equal to 138 degree. So AED is also 138 degree. ECD 35. See, this is 138. So this will be 42 degree because this total is 180 degree. Now if this is 42 degree, it is asking about BAC. So this angle. So this angle will be 42 degree. Now if this is 35 degree, this will be 42 plus 35, that is equal to 77. 77 is equal to 103 degree. Now see, in this triangle BC, BDC and BAC are the same side. So this will be 103 degree. If this is 103 degree, angle VAC is equal to 103. That is option D. Clear? Next. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. PR and QS intersect at T. If SPR is equal to 40 degree, PQS 80 degree, then what is? So let's say this is a circle. So this is P, so this is Q. So let's say this is R, this is S. Now what it is saying, that PR, QS intersect each other. So this is PR, this is QS. They intersect each other as T. So SPR, this angle is equal to 40 degree. PQS, this angle is equal to 80 degree. What is the value of PSR? This total angle they are asking about. Clear? See, for this PS, this is 80 means this is also 80. If this is 80, this is 40, this will be 60 degree. So PSR is equal to 60 degree. Next, in a quadrilateral ABCD, bisectors of C and D meet at E. So let's say this was a quadrilateral, okay? A, B, C, D. So bisector of C, bisector of D, they meet at CED is equal to 56 degree. A is equal to 49 degree. What is the measure of B? Now this is bisector means if this is X, this will be X. If this is Y, this will be Y. Now from this CED triangle, X plus Y is equal to 124. So 2 into X plus Y will be 2 into 124, that is equal to 248 degree. Now 248 degree plus 49 degree is equal to what? 297 degree. So angle B is equal to 360 degree minus 297 degree, that is equal to 63 degree. Answer option C. Next. Problem based on rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus such that the side is 8 cm. If BD is 10 cm, AC 2 root x centimeter. Find what is the value of x plus root 10. So let's say this is a rhombus. That means each side is equal. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So it is saying BD is equal to 10 cm. AC is equal to 2 root x centimeter. Each side 8. What is the value of root x plus 10? Now see, in rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other here, bisects each other, and they intersect each other at 90 degree. So if let's say BD is equal to 10, that means this is 5, this is 5. If this is 2 root x, so this is root x, this is root x. Now see, this is 8, this is 5. 8 square minus 25, that is equal to 64 minus 25, that is equal to 39. square root of 39. So x is equal to 39. So 39 plus 10 square root is equal to square root of 49, which is equal to 7 centimeter. Option B is the right answer. Next. One diagonal of a rhombus is 8 root 3 centimeter. If the other trigonal is equal to its side, then what is the area? Now see, this is in rhombus A, B, C, D. Now this is one diagonal. This is one diagonal. They bisect each other and intersect at 90 degree. Clear? So let's say if one is 8 root 3, that means this is 4 root 3. This is 4 root 3. Now one diagonal is equal to one side. So this will be, let's say, a by 2. This is a by 2. Now these are making what? Angle A, and this is A. So I can write 4 root 3 square plus a by 2 whole square is equal to a square, or I can write 4 square 16 plus 3 48 is plus a square by 4 is equal to a square, or I can write 48 is equal to 3a square by 4. 3 16 ja 48. A square is equal to 16 into 4. So a is equal to square root of 64, that is 8. So if a is 8, then area of the rhombus, that is half d1 8 root 3 into 8. 2 4s are 8, 8 4s are 32 root 3. That is option D. Clear? Next. The perimeter of a rhombus is 148 centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 24 centimeter, then the area is what? So perimeter of rhombus is equal to what? 148. So each side is equal to 148 by 4. That is equal to 4 3s are 12, 2 8, 4 7s are 28. So 37 centimeter is what? One side. Now we know if one diagonal is 12. So 12 square plus x square is equal to 37 square. So I can write x square is equal to 37 square minus 12 square. Now even if you do not know anything, 37 plus 12, it will be into 37 minus 12. So 37 plus 12 is equal to 49 into 25. So x square is this much. So x is equal to 7 into 5, that is equal to 35. If 7 is to 5, 35 is what? Half of the diagonal. So the total diagonal will be, diagonal 2 will be 35 into 2, that is 70. Diagonal 1 is equal to 24. So area is equal to half into 24 into 70. 2 12s are 24. 12 into 70 is equal to 840. So answer option B. Next. ABCD is a rhombus in which ABC is equal to 52 degree. So let's say ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. So A, B here, C here, D here. ABC is given 52 degree. AC is the diagonal. Okay. If AC is diagonal, this side is equal to this side. That means this two side is equal to 128 degree. That means this is 64 degree. This is also 64 degree. Now in rhombus, these two sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal, so this will be also 64 degree. Answer option B. Next, the length of the diagonals of rhombus are 16 and 12. Area is equal to half into 16 into 12. 2 6 are 12. 16 into 6 is equal to 96 centimeter square. Next, rhombus side 28 centimeter has one angle 60 degree. Then what is the length of the larger diagonal? So let's say this is a rhombus. Okay, rhombus of side 28 centimeter. One angle is 60 degree. Let's say this is 60 degree. So this will be also 60. This will be also 60. That means this is 28. This is 28. This is 28. Clear? So this will be also 60. This will be 60. This will be 60. That means this side will be what? So this is 28, this will be 14. Now this is a 90 degree thing. Okay, now this is 28, this is 14. So this side will be what? 28 square minus 14 square. That can be written as 28 plus 14, 42 into 28 minus 14, 14. So this can be written as 14 into 3 into 14, that is equal to square root of this will be 14 root 3. So this is equal to what? Let's say this is O. This is equal to OD square. So OD is equal to 14 root 3. BD is equal to 2 into 14 into root 3. That is equal to 28 root 3 centimeter. So other diagonal, larger diagonal is 28 root 3 centimeter. Clear? Next. 17. One side of rhombus is 13. One of the diagonals is 10. What is the area of the rhombus? Now see. Let's say if this is a rhombus. Okay. So this is 10, let's say. These are 13 and 13. Clear? What is the area of the rhombus? So this is a triangle. So in this triangle, this is an isosceles triangle. So area of isosceles triangle is b by 4 into 4a square minus b square. And if I multiply it by 2, I'll get the total area of the rhombus. Now b is what? 10 by 4. So that can be written as 5 by 2 multiplied by square root of 4a square. That means 4 into 169 minus b square, that is 100, multiply by 2, 2 crossed out, so this can be written as 5 into 169 into 4, so 16 4 is 64, 9 4 is 36, so 676 minus 100 square root of that, that is equal to 5 into square root of 576, that is equal to 5 into 24, that is equal to 120. So what is the area of the rhombus? 120 centimeter square. Clear? Next, now this is a very interesting question. It is saying PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, let's say this is a parallelogram. PQRS. M is a point on QR, that is the midpoint. When SM is drawn and produced, and PQ is produced, they are meeting at point T. Now see, PS is QR are parallel and M is the midpoint, that means, and QM is equal to QR, that means PQ is also equal to QT. So here PQ is equal to QT and QM is equal to MR. So PQ is equal to SR. Here this is P. So PT is equal to 2 into SR. That is option C. Clear? Next. PQR is a parallelogram. Its area is 300 centimeter square. Side PQ is extended to X such that PQ is equal to QX. If QXS intersects QR at Y, then what is the area? So let's say this is a parallelogram. Okay. So let's say this is a parallelogram PQRS. It is saying this area is 300 centimeter square. Side PQ is extended to X such that PQ is equal to QX. Not an issue. XS intersects QR at Y. Okay. Then what is the area of SYR? This part it is asking. Now see if I join these 2 points, you will see this whole thing is dividing the whole parallelogram into 4 parts, because this side is equal to this side. Then by default from the last question, this side will be equal to this side. Now you can see this is equally dividing into 4 equal sides. That means the area of SYR is 300 by 4, that is equal to 75 centimeter square. This is same as the last question. Clear? Next. ABCD is a parallelogram which diagonals ADBC intersects at O. AEDF are perpendiculars. BC on E and F respectively. Which of the following is not? So let's say this is a parallelogram. AD and BC intersect at O. AE and DF are perpendicular to BC and at E and F respectively. So let's say AE is the perpendicular over here and DF is the perpendicular over here. Which of the following is not true? Now see this angle equal, this side equal. Now see this will be similar, so AOE is similar to DOF. Now AEB DFC, so AEB DFC, it will be similar in the same way. ABC and DCB, ABC, so ABC total and DCB, they will be also similar because of the side. Then parallelogram, both opposite sides are equal. Now it is saying ADC and ABD. So it is saying ADC and ABD, how they will be equal? Now see, this side is equal to this side. See, AC is equal to DB. AD is common in both cases, and a triangle ACD is, and the angle ACD is equal to ABD. Okay. Now understand, if ACD is equal to ABD, BD is equal to AC, and this side is equal, then triangle ADC, it is all about the name. Triangle ADC is equal to what? Triangle DBA. But here it is given triangle ABD. So this is not possible. Next. Question based on trapezium. In a trapezium ABCD, ABDC are parallel to each other. So this is AB, this is DC. Okay. So you join it, you will get a trapezium. Okay. So this is A, B, C, D. The perpendicular distance between this is equal to 8 centimeter. AD is equal to BC. So this is 10. So this is 10. This is an isosceles trapezium. AB is equal to 15. Okay. So if you join it, it will be also 90 degree. It will be also 15. That is less than DC. What will be the perimeter of trapezium? Now see, if this is 8, this is 10. So this will be definitely 6. This will be 6. So this total DC will be 15 plus 12, that is equal to 27. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 15. That is equal 47 plus 15 is equal to 62 centimeter. Option C is the answer. Next. ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC. ABCD. So AB parallel to DC, diagonals intersect at point D, at point P. Okay. AP is 3x minus 1. PC is 5x minus 3. BP is equal to 2x plus 1. PD is equal to 6x minus 5. Now this will be, if you cross multiply each other, you will get the answer. So 3x1 into 5x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 1 into 6x minus 5. So if you solve it, you will get the answer. So this is a homework for all of you. Next. In a trapezium PQRS, PQ parallel to RS, diagonal PRQS intersect at O, PQ4 SR10. So let's say this is one triangle, this is one line, these are parallel. So let's join it. So let's join it. PQRS. Do not go by the structure, just remember it. So it is saying PR and QS, they are intersecting at O. PQ is equal to 4. SR is equal to 10. What is the area of POQ to SOR? So area of POQ divided by area of SOR is equal to square of PQ by SR square. That is equal to 16 by 100. That is equal to 4 by 25. Option C is the right answer. Next. A field in the shape of trapezium whose parallel side 260, 100 meter, non-parallel sides are each of 100 meter. What is the area? So this is a trapezium, let's say. Okay. So this is a trapezium A, B, C, D. So this is 100. So if I draw a perpendicular here and a perpendicular here, this will be also 100. This is EF. Now this is 100. This is 100. And the total was 260. That means this is 80. This is 80. This is 100. If this is 100, this is 80. This will be 60. This will be 60. Now here the total area will be 60 into 80, 4800. That is 2400. 2400. And this area will be, this is a rectangle. So 100 into 660 is equal to 6000. So 6000 plus 4800 is equal to 10800 is the total area. Clear? Next. Now this is an interesting question. It is saying ABCD is a trapezium, AB parallel to CD and AB is 4 times CD. So let's say the trapezium is like this. AB is higher. So this will be AB greater. This will be CD. If CD is 1, AB is 4. Now if AC and DE intersect each other at point O, triangle DOC to triangle ABO will be square of 1 by square of 4. That is equal to 16. Okay, so this will be square of 4. So this is 1 by 16. So ratio is equal to 1 by 16, like the previous question. Next, an equilateral triangle ABC lies over a square BCD. So let's say this is a square BCD. Okay, so this is a square. So this is an equilateral triangle ABC. Let's say A, B, C, D, A. So if I connect AE here, It is asking what is the angle. Now see, equilateral triangle means this is 60 degree, square means this is 90 degree. Now BE is equal to AB, that means these two angles will be equal. Now this is 150, that means this is 15 degree and this angle is 15 degree. So EAB is 15 degree plus AEB is equal to 3 into 15, that is 45 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. Answer option C. Clear? Next. If an interior angle of regular polygon is 15 by 16 times of interior angle of a decagon, then find the number of diagonals of the polygon. Interior angle of a decagon is equal to what? N minus 2 by n into 180. That means 10 minus 2, 8 by 10 into 180, which is equal to 18 into 8 is equal to 144 degree. So it is asking regular polygon's interior angle is 15 by 16 times of 144. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24, 4 9s are 36, or you can directly cross out 16 9s are 144. So 15 into 9 is equal to 135 degree. Now 135 degree is equal to what? N minus 2 by n into 180. Now see, 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. Now 3n is equal to 4n minus 8, or I can write n is equal to 8. That means this is a octagon. Now in octagon, number of diagonals is equal to what? N minus 3 by 2. That is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. That is equal to 8 into 5 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So how many diagonals are there? 20 diagonals are there. Next, find the number of diagonals of a regular polygon of sum of the interior angles, which is 2700 degree. See, sum of interior angles of polygon formula is equal to what? N minus 2 into 180 degree. So here n minus 2 unknown, multiply by 180 degree is equal to 2700, 1010 gone, 3 6 are 18, 3 90s are 170, 6 15 is equal to 90. So n minus 2 is 15, n is equal to 15 plus 2 17. So if 17 is the number of side, number of diagonal is equal to 17 into 14 by 2. 2 7s are 14, so 17 into 7 is equal to 109. So how many diagonals are there? 119 diagonals are there. Next, the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 1260 degree, and each interior angle of a regular polygon B is 124 by 7 degree. Sum of the number of sides of polygon A and B is what? You know it, so this is a homework, because I have solved both the things previously. See, this is an interesting question. It is saying A1, A2 are two regular polygons. Sum of all interior angles of A1 is equal to 1080 degree. So sum of all interior angles, formula is equal to what? N minus 2 into 180 degree is equal to 1080. This is for A1. 180 into 6 is equal to 1080. N minus 2 is equal to 6 means n is equal to 8. This is number of side of A1. Okay, now in A2 it is saying each interior angle exceeds exterior angle by 132 degree. Now interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So 2 interior angle is equal to 312 degree. Interior angle is equal to 156 degree. Exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. Now understand this. If exterior angle is equal to 24 degree, then number of side of polygon 360 by 24, 6 4s are 24, 6 6s are 30, 4 15s are 60. So the side of number of side of A2 is equal to 15, A1 8, so 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. That is the right answer. Clear? Next, PQRST is a regular pentagon. PRQ2 intersect each other at X. Then what is the value of TXR? Now say pentagon means this will look like this. Okay, now let's say this is PQRST. It is saying PR and QT intersect each other at X. Okay, now it is asking about what is the value of TXR. Clear? Now see, if this is a pentagon each interior angle is equal to n minus 2, that is 5 minus 2. Directly we'll write 5 minus 2. Okay, so 3 by 5 into 180, that is equal to 108 degree. So each interior angle is 108 degree. Now in PQT, okay, PQ is equal to PT. So this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. Now we know that this total angle is equal to 108 degree. That means this two angle is 36, 36, because that's how this total will be 180 degree. Clear? Sorted? Now same goes here. This is 36, this will be 36, this will be 36, this will be 36. Clear? See, if this is 36, this is 36, 72. This total is equal to 108. If this total is 108, this total is 108. So TXR is equal to 108 degree. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Next. ABCD is a regular pentagon. Its sides are extended as shown in the figure. Fine. The value of angle ABC plus 2EGD plus 3BAJ is equal to what? Now see, I will draw the pentagon first. Okay, so this is the pentagon. Okay, now see, in each if this is a pentagon, okay, so in pentagon, what I told you, we find out that their internal angle is equal to 108 degree. Yes or no? That means ABC is equal to 108 degree plus, it is saying A here is extended to B here, then again B is extended to C here, C is extended to G here. So this is how it has made a star, right? But see, understand here, if this is being extended, this angle is equal to what? 72 degree. This angle is equal to what? 72 degree, because this is the simple extension. Yes or no? Yes. So if these two are 72, 72, 144, this is equal to what? 36 degree. So AJB, or you say BAJ, is equal to 72 degree. So 3BAJ is equal to what? 3 into 72 degree plus 3EGD. So here E, here G, here D. Same case, this will be 36 degree. So 2 into 36 is equal to 72 degree. So 4 into 72 degree is equal to 288 degree plus 108 degree divided by 6. That is equal to 396 by 6. 6 6 ja 36, 6 6 ja 36. Answer option B. Clear? Simple. So that's all guys about your quadrilateral. The questions are not that tough compared to circular triangle, but we have covered all most frequently asked concept through this lecture. So that's it. See you in the next class of mensuration 2D. So till then, practice everything at least twice. Okay. See you in the next class.